Good morning, good afternoon. Today's Monday, December 11, 2017, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Something on note, this morning there was an attempted terrorist attack in New York City at the Port Authority in Manhattan. So that may be a concern to other listeners as you plan out your routine and your business day. All right, let's get on with the headlines. In the business section, we see like more women coming out with sexual allegations against the executive of the government. This is nothing new. There was other accusers before that. So let's see what happens. So we do see hospitals and healthcare related merger talks heating up. Since the Aetna merger talks, and also some healthcare operator. These are untested strategies, vertical integrations, and we'll see how they turn out. Bitcoin futures launched last night in Sunday, and it was turbulence and with high demand. Yes, the futures that allows you to take positions both ways. All right, you'll see how they turn out, but you do see like Bitcoin is traded 24/7, and is traded among many localities throughout the world. So we see which one affects the other. It seems like the current traded live Bitcoin is affecting more to the futures than the futures affecting the live trading. That's what I observed so far. So we'll see. Fed expected to raise interest rate due to better economic conditions. All right. You see Tesla introducing these mega electric trucks. Interesting. So we do see how it would affect its stock price. I do see like eventually they will introduce the rocket airlines. That would be very interesting. Valiant, drug maker, moving on 11%. That's not bad. So we see all gains due to the New York terrorist attempt as a flight to safety. All right, that's the major headlines in the Google News. All right, so let's see. Looking at the futures, crude oil going up 55 cents, hovering around 58, 57 area. The struggle continues as the marketing and competing headlines and reasoning that may be true and false. Gold is hovering 1250. That's not bad. Hang Seng calling back to 29,000 after the major fall, and we'll see more volatility due to the rapid rise. You do see the resilience of the U.S. economy. We're able to withstand these attempted terrorist attacks with the rise of the Dow Jones and Nasdaq. All right. Net neutrality is going away, so we'll see how it will affect. This is similar to other industries like HFT regulation change. we have to see the idiosyncrasies of the dual way of the neutrality, where the quality of service may be net neutrality may be affected, like the services, the quality of services. All right. So we do see the next phase of the executive of the government pushing for a $1 trillion infrastructure revamp. A lot of infrastructure in the United States is falling behind the times, such as LaGuardia Airport, where the previous vice president says like a third world country, and many other like bridges, roads, like have major bad conditions. So we do see like a Trump appointing a Korean expert to be ambassador to South Korea. As I mentioned before, we do realize now that North Korea may be holding Bitcoin, and that's why South Korea as a counterpart is like so crazy about Bitcoin, where they pay a premium of at least $1,000. So we see how they end up there of the brinksmanship dialogues, to see what's going on. All right. All right. So a little bit. That's the headlines. Today's Monday, the beginning of the week, nearing the Christmas season, where the holiday spirit is gripping the markets a little bit, and also definitely the cryptocurrency markets. All right. Something of note. I do have Chinese business followers, and they decide to buy out the Germany's robotics firm after I feature these robotics arms building supercars in my supercar video. Some of them listed below. I featured McDonald's a year ago, over a year ago, and now is at an all-time high because of my belief in the and my confidence in the new CEO compared to the previous CEO. I also feature Amazon, and where I have Indian followers, and India's Modi went for a big cut on Amazon after I featured Amazon. You can check the dates of the videos. All right, that's three among the many ones. So I do sometimes make actionable commentaries, which I have Indian followers and Chinese business followers. All right, happy holidays, nearing the Christmas season. And be safe and have fun profiting in trading. All right, today's Monday, December 11th, 2017.